friends, welcome to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. I am Prerna and please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. Please support me by subscribing. So friends, today we are going to see a concept that is female foeticide. So what is the meaning of female foeticide and why female foeticide is happening? So let us see what is the meaning of female foeticide. So friends, killing a girl child within the womb of a mother is called as female foeticide. In Indian society, you can see that female foeticide is increasing. Why it is increasing? We are going to see the reasons behind that. So let us see the reasons one by one. So friends, though we are celebrating National Girl Child Day on January 24th, it's of no use because female foeticide is happening. On one hand, we are killing female child and on another hand, we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. So it is very wrong. So female foeticide is happening. So let us see what are the reasons behind this. Economic value attached to son. So we can see that people believe that son will be educated and after educating a son, the people will be getting money. He will be acting as an asset because when parents are old, son will be taking care of the parents. This is the thinking of the parents or the thinking of the society, friends. So friends, this is the thinking of the people that the son will be acting as an asset because when the parents are old, the son will be earning and giving money to the parents or taking care of the parents. But it's not true in all the society. It's not happening, right? So the parents or the society think that boy child is like an asset because they will be taking care and they will be economically supporting the parents. Next, female children are a gamble. That is, female children are taken or accepted as a burden or gamble. And they think that if we have female child, we have to first educate her. Though we are educating her, she will be marrying and going to others' house. She will be not giving us anything. While getting married also, we have to pay so much of money. And even after marriage, we have to give her dowry. So they think that the girl child is just like it's just an investment. There is no return from a girl child. And religious value for son. In Indian society, we can see that people believe that if they have son, they will get moksha or salvation. So people believe that having a son, that is male child, is very important, or else they won't get moksha or that is salvation. So it is very wrong, friends. Though you have girl child or a boy child, it does not matter. If you are doing good deeds, you will get moksha, that is salvation, or else you won't get that. Next, unpleasant medical practices. Even in hospitals, you can see that the doctors are also suggesting you have a girl child in your womb, you can just drop her because it's like an investment, you don't have any returns. You can see that even doctors are telling if you are spending few now, you should not spend more money or huge money after some time, that is during their marriage and while giving dowry and all. And advanced technology, you can see that science and technology is developing very fast. This is very good, but on the other hand, this is misleading the society because illegally people are going and they are just getting tested whether they have female or male child. They are they are going to hospitals and they are going to detect what child they are having. The gender of the child will be detected. Because of this, we can see that female foeticide is increasing. We have to use the advanced technology, but not in an illegal. We should not use it out of the way. And next, low status of women. So in our society, we can see that the status to the woman will be very low. Because of this also, people avoid a girl child. If we will have girl child, her status will be low in the society. So let us not have a girl child. All these evil practices of society is also helping to increase the female foeticide, friends. Next point is, friends, inherited cultural bias. We can see that the parents think that if they have son, they can just give their property to their son, but if they have daughters, they cannot give their property. So all these cultural imbalance, whatever traditions, customs we have, beliefs and all in our ancestors mind, that is totally wrong. though you have a girl child or a boy child, you can just give your property. It does not matter. So all these traditions, customs and beliefs are even helping or increasing female foeticide. So I just want to tell you people and give awareness towards this, that if you are seeing anything happening like this in our society, we have to take action against that. So friends, we can see that though the government is taking so many policies, programs for this, they want to increase the population of the girl child, but it's not happening. The present government have even introduced something, a concept called Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Yeah, though they have introduced this concept, we can see that female foeticide is happening. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is an andolan, that is a movement. The government is telling, or the government is trying to say that save girl child and educate the girl child. So this was the concept today which we have studied. So here I conclude my video, friends. Please support me by subscribing and even like and share to this video. Please like this video and share it to your friends so that it will encourage me to make more and more such videos. Thank you, friends.